Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andi Yusuf. I'm from AIPI MAKASSAR. My major Nautica Department level 2.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking jacket in size medium.
Okay, let's see. This green one in medium size, what do you think?
I think I'm good. Whether in blue.
Okay. Here's blue in a medium size. Would you like to try it on?
Okay. Yes, I love. In every quickly, how much is it?
It is $50. It will be 53 with tax.
Perfect. I will take it.
Okay.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking at jacket in a medium size.
Okay, let's see. Here is a nice green. What do you think?
I think I'd rather have it in blue.
Okay. Here is blue in medium. What do you wear in it on?
Okay. Yes, I love it. It fits perfectly. How much is it?
It's $15 and will be $53 with tip.
Perfect. I'll take it.